Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to change date format in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In the world, there are various date formats. For example, European date format different from the USA. This is USA date format, month, day, year. Let us change our date format. Select your data from Home tab menu. In the number section, click here. Select more number formats. Choose date. Our current date format is United States. Let us change. We will go for United Kingdom. Here we have different type. I will go for this. The date format has been changed. Day, month, year. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.